Lady Gaga is back in the sticks today for A Star Is Born. Now basically, all stars are born. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta follow your heart. Now, this is also Bradley Cooper's directorial debut, as he profiles basically Lady Gaga in her struggles in the film. This is about a musician, basically, Lady Gaga, who like falls in love with an artist, but must overcome her internal demons, basically. Now, Lady Gaga was like amazing on the red carpet, coming in with like a funeral blouse that's like black, like a black widow or something like that. Then basically took off that scarf halfway through the red carpet. Yeah. The area was like filled with fans. Alright? A lot of Lady Gaga fans. Like up to 200 at least. Inside the fan zone.
What did you say?
So yeah. The Bad Romance. Alright. Yeah. Bradley Cooper was like also amazing. Walking around every corner, signing some pics. Alright. Yeah. All in front of like a set of Carl Wolf's sports cars. Now, will Lady Gaga shine for the Oscars here? Well, that would be something. Got some songs for you. Ba 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 poker face, ba ba poker face. Ba 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 poker face, ba ba poker face. You my poker face. My poker face. Oh, caught in the bad romance. Oh, caught in the bad romance. Gaga, but you can romance. Yeah. Wow. Lady Gaga is amazing. The crowd. So, what we got? Well, yeah. Amazing premiere. Like Lady Gaga's second straight time here at Tiff. Last year, she like interrupted her grand world tour to premiere something, a Netflix documentary at Princess of Wales Theater. Yeah. Wow. Fans are like crazy for both Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper. You know what I'm saying? Yes, star is born.